Empire Abrasive Equipment's indexing turntable systems have been a staple in the manufacturing industry for decades. Our standard, tall, and ultra-tall versions accommodate almost any size workpiece with custom engineering available. The TT36-S suction blast indexing turntable system provides precise positioning of the workpiece in front of blasting nozzles for guaranteed repeatability of process requirements. The blast chamber features a 60-inch wide by 69-inch deep heavy-duty blast enclosure, a 1/4 inch thick steel weldment with a 1/4 inch thick interior protective lining. The 18-inch vertical ball screw oscillator also has a 24-inch upgrade option and features 6 3/8-inch wide spray Boron Carbide suction blast guns, which can be individually adjusted and controlled. Depending on the customer's production requirements, configurations can range from 6 to 12 rotating part stations with a 60-degree table index. Maximum part size is 12-inch diameter by 20-inch high with 20-pound capacity. Empire blast systems are equipped with a proprietary dust collector for optimum media recovery and cabinet ventilation and 85 dBA max. Industry-leading control panels feature AB controls, IoT, and Industry 4.0 capabilities. The precision turntable is built for operator loading or robotic loading. Safety features include infrared light curtains and part-loaded push button. Engineered for convenience, large removable panels provide access to easily adjust the part blow-off manifold, turntable, and part rotation. All models of the TT36-S are designed to accommodate custom modifications requested by end users to fit the particular needs of a project with a minimum amount of custom engineering required, keeping costs down and customers satisfied.